Hi guys, this is Rajinikanth, Excel Guru. This is the query, one of the query from 50 questions asked by one of the reputed company. So we have to find the solution for that. And this query can be done from advanced Excel, but they said to they do with the Excel 2010 version. So let's try this one. So what is the query? See here the products and the customer buy these products. So you have to find the total how many are there. You have to find the total price for that. See here two product IDs means he buy these two things. So you have to find it out from this. What are the two things of product ID compared to this one, the price. So here we will do, first of all, I will hide this one. Where is hide? See how I'll do. First of all, what you'll do, you have to search of these product IDs F4, comma in this. Press F9 to check whether it is there or not. See, only one are there, another one should be there. Where it is? Total two things should be there. Only one is there. Maybe somewhere it is. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll make it search is number. F9. One true is there. Where is another true? Two things should be there. True, only one true is there. I don't know why it is showing one true. It has to show. 1 second. I did at the way. 10 minutes. I did it a little bit. This one. Comma in this product. F4. F9. See, all of falses are there. There is no true or true. Okay. Let it be. This is the correct one. So here it is. F9 and just multiply with product. F4 and F9. Only 13207 is coming. I don't know, it has to come two things. But I don't know why it is showing one, because 25101498 it is not there maybe. And just do some product of this and close parenthesis. Control enter. Some product. I don't know why it is not showing properly. Alt E. Right. See, it is there. I don't know why. All are right. See, already I did over here. I will show you. Unhide. See, all are correct. I think this product is not available here. 25101. 25101 490 is not there. I think so. Yes. Yes, this product is not available over here. For that reason, it is not pick upping that one. So, what I'll do, I'll add this product. Wait a minute. See, I'll add this product. 25101 Then also showing the same thing. Yeah, it is changed. It is changed to 11214. Here it is showing the same thing. 2510. Yes. Now it has changed. Okay, 25101 And coming to here, this is the very, very important thing, guys. Very, very important. And that is a simple thing, but these two things are very, very important. You have to keep a concentration on this, that you have to insert one space between first and last name. Right, you have to insert space between first and last name. What is the way? First of all, you have to find the capital K, the position of capital K. Right. So how you'll do that one? First of all, I want to extract each and every letter from a name, like mid of this comma row of indirect ampersand length of this close parenthesis and each and every character. So it will extract each and every character from there, R, A, J, A, N, I. But we are interested only in the second capital letter, not in the first capital letter. So what I'll do here, I'll do just a little bit logic that I will convert this into upper cases. Total everything, every character in this value should convert into upper cases. And what I'll do, just I'll copy this one. Exact. I want to compare each and every letter character in this. F9. Wherever it finds the capital letter, it will show you the true. And we are interested in the second true, not in the first true. The second logical true. Now what I'll do, I use the large function, large if is anything call. Then I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How you'll do in a text? In a row, we can do row whole range minus row of the first cell plus 1. But here you have to do in this way. Control C, Control V. I'll show you what will happen if I'll do like this. I'm explaining each and everything. F9, it will show you all the characters. It will take from starting to end of the character. That is, it will count how many are there from first to last of the character. So totally 11 are there. This is the true. Close parent. I don't need the false. And I need the first largest. F9. So it is showing 7. Is it right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. It is 7th character. But I want to insert a space between first and last name. So here is the very logical thing you have to do, that replace of this name, comma, and starting number. What will be the starting number then? Starting number will be this one only, comma, number of characters. How many number of characters do you need? If I place 1, it will pick up the first character. Okay, it will replace the first character. If I place 2, it will replace 2 characters. But what I'll do 0 to insert a space over there. F9, see. This is the logic. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment box. I'm ready to answer those things. I think everyone understood that it's an F5 control enter. It is showing a wrong answer. You have to use control shift and enter. Rajini space Kant. Gamma space Krishna. Here space is not there. Here space is there. Here space is not there. Here space is there. If you have doubt, ask me. For number of characters in a replace, you have to use 0 to insert a new character. Did you understand what I mean to say? Suppose if I enter any one here, F9, see, K has gone from 7th character. Right. If I did 2, F9, see, 2 characters are gone. But when I use 0 over here, F9, no characters are removed and inserted a new character that is spaced between the 2 words or first name or last name. So this is the logical thing. Okay. Now coming to the second part. See, you have to insert a new code like this. Pro-ABC -234-ABC. you have to do. If it is not available, you can keep it blank, but if it is there, you have to extract that thing, right? So first of all, what I'll do, I'll use the VLOOKUP. See how I'll do. VLOOKUP left of this. How many characters? We doesn't know how many characters. Maybe 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So what I'll do, find hyphen in this, right? Close parenthesis, comma, table array. This one is the table array. Control shift right arrow, up arrow, down arrow. F4, comma, 2, comma, 0. Right. Control enter. Control shift enter. Why? What happened? Why it is not there? Pro 1 is there. So let me check where it went wrong. F9. See, 1 is not there here. So I kept hyphen over there. Find the left of -1. Let's have -1 over here. And F9, value error. First of all, what I'll do, left of this, comma, find this, comma, hyphen, F9, value error. So what I'll do here, find this text in this. So what will happen? F9 Pro 1. So you have to remove the dash from here. So -1. F9. Now use VLOOKUP over here. VLOOKUP of this F4. Sorry, not this one. It's not a lookup value. This will be the lookup value, and the table array is this thing. Control shift right arrow, up arrow, F4, comma, 2, comma, 0. Control enter. Double click. Wherever it finds this code, it is came. But we have to get like this. You have to insert this thing, the new code for the product. So it's very, very important. So what I'll use here, I'll use a replace function again over here. Replace of this thing, comma, and starting number will be VLOOKUP, not VLOOKUP. Starting number, starting how many characters? Starting number, old text, wait a minute. Here I got little bit old text, starting number of characters, 0. And new text will be blank. I think I did it wrong here. Somewhere I went wrong. Should not be escape. I did here, see. Right. Replace, find this one, and VLOOKUP. Replace of F2 this thing, number of characters, find of this thing, sorry, not this thing, hyphen of this thing, comma, old text, starting number, wherever it finds, it has to be hyphen over there, number of characters is 0, it should be 0, number of characters should be 0, comma, and this will be the new text. F9. See, here everything is done except hyphen after product 1. Hyphen after product 1. So simply what I'll do, I'll go to VLOOKUP function and I will add hyphen over here. That's it. F9. Control G, Control Enter. Double click. have to, if error, if you find any error in this function, so give me the blank. Else run this formula as it is. Okay. And I request everyone to like, share, and subscribe this channel. And these are the so many 50 questions are there. Till now I completed only I think 20 or 22. Nearly 20 or 22 I completed. More for 38, 28 are there. As soon as I do, I will finish it as early as possible. Thank you guys for your support, and please like, share, and subscribe.